gas regulator for the LP gases on the outside, and the pipe comes in. It goes down, over, settlement trap, dirt leg, whatever you want to call it. T, short piece of pipe, end cap. Pretty simple. Hot water heater, gas stove, ventless heater upstairs, ventless heater downstairs. When I installed this manifold, I installed a short piece of pipe and end cap, so the end cap could be removed for future expansion of a furnace. The installer did remove the end cap, installed a 90, short piece of pipe, a valve, and then the copper gas line that runs to the furnace. I'm trying to show that there are no supports on this line. If I turn off the light or use a flashlight, it's still hard to see. Here in a moment I will get down to the next turn and do a 180, which is easier to see the line. And there we go. It's not possible to see it from the bottom, but there is a kink right up in here. While the kink itself is not an issue in how it's installed, if the gas line was removed from the furnace and moved around a whole bunch, it is possible this kink could be collapsed and completely closed off the gas line, in which case that could become a potential problem. I will take a picture and show that issue later on within the documents. Zip tie to the 2-inch furnace exhaust pipe to the gas line. This is the only support on this gas line beyond the gas manifold and the furnace. This is illegal by code. It's a violation. That zip tie holds both the 2-inch pipe and gas copper line held firmly to this brace that goes in between the floor joists, causing a bunch of noise issues, rattling issues, rubbing issues. Gas line that runs up to the ventless heater upstairs, which is held tight to the 2-inch pipe, which is shown in another video. Gas line goes over the ductwork, then comes down on the other side. There should be a drip leg, settlement trap, whatever you want to call it, installed in here. By code, the drip leg that's in between the regulator and the manifold does not qualify as a dirt leg for the furnace. The dirt leg needs to be installed in the lowest possible section of the pipeline and as near as possible within reason to the furnace, which would be in this section of pipe. It is the lowest section. This hole here is a manual violation. The manual requests that the burner furnace area of the cabinet be completely enclosed. And also details that it needs to seal tight around the line, which is not sealed tight. If there was ever an issue, exhaust fumes could come back into the home through this gap. The next issue is this black pipe where all the burners are connected. Runs down to the gas valve. This one long J-shaped pipe and valve comes off as a single piece. Yearly, serviceman comes in, undoes the gas line connection, and then the valve and this J piece all comes off. The manual wants a ground joint unit installed either inside the case if allowed by local code or directly on the outside of the cabinet so it can be undone and everything removed. The union was not installed. I am also going to assume the union is being requested because this flare fitting for the copper gas line does not qualify for multiple use, untighten and retighten to the point of the flare will eventually get squished so much from constantly untightening and retightening it that the pipe will have to be cut, coupling installed, and then redone to the gas valve. Ground joint union solves that problem, and that's what they are designed to deal with. The next issue is the manual. Because this J shape and valve is all one piece and it's all held in place within the gas valve, any vibrations moving within this gas line affects these burners. If I came on the outside and just slightly pulled down, all this inside would move, causing misalignment of the burners and possibly damage to the furnace itself or causing a fire. The gas line is not properly supported to deal with this.